Hello everyone! In this video, you are going to learn English through a simple story. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English speaking step by step. Let's begin. Have you ever sat under a tree and felt it was listening to you? What if that tree remembered every secret, every tear, and every dream? Today's story is for children, for elders, and for anyone who believes that wisdom can come from the quietest places.
This is the story of the tree that remembered everyone.
In a quiet village, surrounded by golden fields and gentle blue hills, there stood a very old banyan tree. Its roots spread wide across the earth. Its branches stretched like open arms toward the sky. Children played under it every afternoon. Elders rested beneath it every evening. Travelers stopped there whenever their feet grew tired. The villagers believed something special about this tree. They said it remembered everyone who ever sat beneath its shade. Not loudly, not proudly, but silently and kindly.
Chapter 1. The Curious Child.
One summer morning, a curious 10-year-old boy named Arav came running to the tree. Arav loved questions. Why is the sky blue? Why do people grow old? Why do trees never walk? Most adults smiled but had no answers. Arav sat under the banyan tree, leaned against its trunk, and sighed. I wish someone could answer my questions, he said softly. A gentle breeze moved through the leaves. Then, in a calm and warm voice, the tree spoke. Ask, child. Arav jumped up. His eyes grew wide. Did you just talk? He whispered. Yes, said the tree. I listen more than I speak.
Chapter 2. The First Lesson.
Arav gathered his courage. If you're so wise, he said, tell me something important. The tree paused, as if thinking. The most important thing, it said, is to understand that everyone you meet is carrying a story you cannot see. Arav frowned. Even angry people? Especially angry people, the tree replied. Anger is often a cover for pain. Arav sat down slowly. At that moment, an old man named Rahman walked by, leaning on a stick. He was known in the village for being quiet and serious. Good morning, Rahman, Arav said politely. The old man smiled, a rare smile, and nodded. Arav suddenly wondered, what story is he carrying?
Chapter 3. The Elder's Memory.
That evening, Rahman sat under the tree, just as he had done for many years. The tree spoke again. Do you remember? It asked gently. When you were young? Rahman closed his eyes. I remember, he said slowly. Dreams that didn't come true, and mistakes I still think about. The tree's leaves rustled softly. Mistakes are not weights, said the tree. They are teachers. Rahman felt something warm in his chest. For the first time in years, he felt lighter.
Chapter 4. The Village Changes.
Word spread. Not that the tree could talk, but that something about sitting beneath it felt different. People began to listen more. Children listened to elders' stories. Elders listened to children's ideas. Neighbors who once argued began to greet each other kindly. When someone felt sad, they sat under the tree. When someone felt proud, they shared it there. When someone felt lost, they rested there. The tree remembered all of it.
Chapter 5. Arav Grows Up.
Years passed. Arav grew taller. His questions became deeper. One day he said, Tree, why do people fear growing old? The tree replied, because they forget that growing old also means growing wise. Arav smiled. I don't want to forget, he said. You won't, said the tree. You listen.
Chapter 6. A New Generation.
Many years later, Arav returned to the village as an adult, with his own child. The banyan tree stood the same, strong and calm. Arav's child sat beneath it and asked, Papa, why does this tree feel kind? Arav smiled. Because it remembers everyone, he said. The leaves moved gently in the wind, as if agreeing.
Final message. The tree never asked for praise. It only offered shade, patience, and memory. And the village learned something simple but powerful. When we listen, we grow. When we remember, we heal. And when we are kind, we live forever in the stories others carry forward.